Good morning students. Now we are going to learn pair of angles. So answer the following questions. So already we studied the theorems. So now we study problems and solutions. What is the complement of 63 degree? Already we studied complementary angles. Complementary, supplementary. So those angles acute angle, right angle, triangle. So many angles studied. Yes. So solutions. Complementary angle of 63 degree. So complementary angle means 90 degree. Complementary angle is angle is 90 degree. Okay. So x plus 63 degree equal to 90 degree. So plus 63 transpose to minus 63. X equal to 90 degree minus 63 degree. We got a value 27 degree. X equal to 27 degree. Okay. Next one is find the complementary angles which are in the ratio 4:5. Okay. So solutions. Let the angles be 4x and 5x. Let the angles be 4x and 5x. 4x and 5x. Okay. So smaller angle is, so since they are complementary angles, so find the complementary angles. Already given, find the complementary angles. So complementary angle is a 90 degree. So add 4x plus 5x equal to 90 degree. Add it. 9x equal to 90 degree. X equal to 90 degree by 9. Cancel it. We got a value 10 degree. So x equal to 10 degree. Then next substitute the value of the angles of four into x degree equal to 40 degree. Then 5 into 10 degree is equal to 90 degree. So that implies we got a value 40 degree, 50 degree. 5 times are 50. Okay. So 4 times are 40 degree and 5 times are 50 degree. So add it 90 degree. So complementary angle is 90 degree. Find the supplementary angle such that one angle is 1/5 of the other. One angle is 1/5 of the other. So solutions. Let the larger angle be x. Larger angle be x. The smaller angle is 1/5 of the other. So 1/5 of the other. So smaller angle one by 5 x. They are supplementary angles. They are supplementary angle. X plus x by 5 equal to 180 degree. That implies 5x plus x by 5 equal to 180 degree. So that value 6x by 5 equal to 180 degree. That implies x equal to 180 degree into 5 by 6. cancel it 30. So 35s are 150 degree. 35s are 150 degree. X equal to 150 degree. Okay, the first one. Then second step is a 1 by 5. X equal to 1 by 5 into 150 degree. Cancel it 30 degree. Okay, so we got a value x equal to 150 degree and 30 degree. Did you understand? Fourth sum, find the value of x. So it is an adjacent angle triangle 60 degree, x 45 degree. So add it. Solutions. Sum of the three angles is 180 degree. So these angles are added. So 45 degree plus x degree plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. So 105 degree plus x degree equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. So subtract x equal to 75 degree. Okay, we got the values 75 degree. In the diagram, four angles are formed on the same side of a line. Find the value of x and then measures of all the angles. So solutions. So this one is adjacent angle triangles. So adjacent angle triangles value is 180 degree. Okay, so sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the angles of the triangle triangle 180 degree. Okay, so add all the angles. So 2x plus x plus x plus 30 degree, 3x minus 32 degree equal to sum of the all the angles value 180 degree. Okay, so 3x plus 4x plus 7x. So 7x plus 30 degree minus 32 degree equal to 180 degree. So 7x is equal to 7x minus 2 degree equal to 180 degree. So minus 2 goes to transpose to plus 2. So 7x is equal to 180 degree plus 2 degree. So add it. 7x equal to 182 degree. So x equal to 182 degree divided by 7. Cancel it. 7 2s are 14. So 6 7s are 42. X equal to 26 degree. Okay. Then angles. The angles are the angles are 2 into 26 degree. Then next one is a 26 degree x value. Then another angle is x plus 30 degree. So x plus 30 degree means 26 degree plus 30 degree. Then next 3x minus 32 degree. So 3 into 26 degree minus 32 degree. So first value is a 52 degree. 26 degree. Then next 56 degree. 26 plus 30, 56 degree. Then 326 are 326 are 78 minus 32, 46 degree. 46 degree. So check it. So all the angles are add. We got a value 180 degree. So sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. This one is the answer. Okay. Next one. In the given diagram, find the value of x and the measures of all the angles are shown. Okay. So it is a reflexive angles. It is a reflexive angles. So reflexive angles value is a 360 degree. 360 degree. Okay. So find the value of x degree. X degree. So solutions. 6 angles are formed round a point. Their sum is 360 degree. Okay. So all the angles are added. We get a value 360 degree. Sum of the angles of the triangle is 360 degree. So add it all the angles. X plus 3x plus x plus 20 degree plus 60 degree plus 2x minus 17 degree plus 4x plus 4x. So sum of the all the angles value 360 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So add it. X plus x, 2x. So 2x plus, sorry, x 4, 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 10. Then next x. So vertically 11x degree. So add it. 20 plus 60, 80. Okay. 20 plus 60, 80. 80 minus 17, 63 degree plus 63 degree equal to 360 degree. Then next plus 63 goes to minus 63. So 11x degree equal to 360 degree minus 63 degree. 11x degree equal to, so subtracted 360 minus 63 to 97 degree. Then next x equal to 297 divided by 11. So x equal to 27 degree. Substitute the value of all x equal to 27 degree. The angles are x value is 27 degree. Okay, already you know that. Then next 3 into x equal to 3 into 27 degree equal to 3 into 27. Then next 27 degree plus 20 degree. Then next 60 degree. 2 into 27 degree minus 17 degree. 4 into 27 degree. Okay. So we got a value 27 degree. 3 20s are 27s are 81. 81 degree. Then next added 57 degree. Then next 60 degree. So 54 minus 17. What value comes? 54 minus 17, 47. So 37. 37 degree. 427 is 108 degree. So all the angles are added. We got a value 360 degree. So 7 find angle ABC in the following figures. Okay, following figures. So angle A 2x vertically opposite angles. A is a vertically opposite angles are equal 2x minus 40 degree and B is a vertically opposite angles are equal x plus 45 degree. Then next a solution. Solution. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So then corresponding angles of the lines are equal. So corresponding lines means F angles are equal. So this angle is equal and this angle is also equal. So 2x minus 40 degree equal to x plus 45 degree. So 2x minus x equal to 40 degree plus 45 degree. So x equal to 85 degree. Then next angle ABC. Angle ABC equal to x plus 45 degree equal to 85 degree plus 45 degree equal to 130 degree. 8th sum, find angle AOC and the angle AOB. Okay, so this side and this side are equal. So first one is a FZ angle. So second one is a Z shape angle. Z shape angle. Okay, so this shape. So this one is a Z shape. So see the line. See the sketch. I draw and sew. Okay, so this one is a Z shape. So this one is a Z shape. So this side and this sides are equal. So first this shape F shape. So this one is a corresponding angles. Listen to it. This shape. Okay. So corresponding angles are equal. So next these angles are equal. Okay, this one is a Z shape angle, that one is a F shape angles. Okay, so Z shape angle, this side is equal and this side is also equal. Okay, so opposite angles, that is a mirror angle. So solution, 3x minus 5 degree equal to 2x plus 19 degree. So 3x minus 2x degree equal to 19 degree plus 5 degree. So x equal to 19 plus 5, 24 degree. So x equal to 24 degree. Then next angle AOC equal to 2x plus 19 degree equal to 2 24s are 2 into 24 plus 19. Okay, so 2 24s are 48. So 48 degree plus 19 degree 67 degree. So angle O is a 67 degree. Then next angle AOB. Angle AOB. Angle AOB. This is angle A. Angle AOB value Sum of the angles are 180 degree minus 67 degree. Angle AOB equal to 180 degree minus 67 degree. We got a value 113 degree. Okay. Okay. Do you understand? So, move to 9th sum. In the figure, L is parallel to M. Find the measures of an angle A. So, see the diagram. Solution. Draw P is parallel to L. P is parallel to L. Okay. So, extend the line. P, this one is a P. P is parallel to L. Extend the line. Okay. So, P is parallel to L. Next one, angle 1 plus 100 degree. Angle 1 is this side. So, angle 1 plus 100 degree equal to 180 degree. So, angle 1 equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. Angle 1 equal to 80 degree. Okay. Then next, angle 2. Angle 2 plus 115 degree. So, this side is a angle 2. Okay, Z shape angle. Listen, this is a Z shape angle. So, this is equal and this is equal. 115 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle 2 equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree. Angle 2 equal to 65 degree. Then next, angle 1 plus angle A plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. So, angle 1 value 80 degree plus angle A plus 65 degree equal to 180 degree. So, 145 degree 80 plus 65 plus angle A equal to 180 degree. So, angle A equal to 180 degree minus 145 degree. So, we got a value angle A equal to 35 degree. Okay. So, do you understand? Yes, sir. So, thank you students. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Thank you.